Hi teacher, my life, my social media and my selfies. Hello everyone, my name is Adrian Manzano. I am 25 years old and I am from Ecuador. I am university studying and I am studying English today. I am going to talk about my life experiences, my social media habits and my opinion about selfies. Life experiences. First, I had learned to drive. I learned when I was 19 years old in my hometown. My father helped me practice and later I became a better driver. It was an important achievement for me. Second, I had worked before starting university. I worked for some time after finishing high school. Later, I decided to study at university because I wanted to improve my future and learn new things. It was one of the best decisions I have made. Third, I have made many new friends. I met them at university and in my English classes. We studied together, help with each other, and work on different projects. I am happy to have good friends. I have never traveled to another country, but I want to travel one day because I want to visit new places, learn about different cultures, and practice my English. I have never gone skydiving, but I would like to try it in the future because I think it will be an exciting experience. Social media habits. I usually use Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and WhatsApp. I log in every day to check my messages and see new posts. I follow about 300 people. Sometimes I like photos, share videos, and upload pictures with my family or friends. Once I upload a photo that got many likes, I usually search for music, sports, cars, videos, and information for my university classes. I have never blocked anyone and nobody has blocked me.